Trying to build muscle with more protein? It might work, but go too far, and you could harm your kidneys, heart, or more. Let's uncover the right way to bulk up safely. Welcome to Healscape BDS. Hey everyone, welcome back to Healscape BDS, your go-to spot for trusted, down-to-earth health advice that actually makes sense. Today's topic? Protein, your muscle-building friend, or silent health threat. We all know protein is essential for strength, recovery, and staying full. And if you're hitting the gym, lifting heavy, and chasing gains, upping your protein intake feels like the obvious move. But what if chasing those gains comes at a cost? Let's break it down in a simple, realistic way, without the science overload. How much protein do you really need? Let's start with the basics. The average recommendation is about 0.36 grams of protein per pound of body weight. That's around 54 grams daily for someone who weighs 150 pounds. But here's where it gets interesting. If your goal is muscle growth, dietitians say you'll want to aim higher, closer to 1.2 to 1.4 grams per kilogram of body weight. That's roughly 80 to 95 grams daily for a 150-pound person. Does that mean you need to chug protein shakes all day? Not at all. A real-life example. Take Jason, a 32-year-old dad who decided to finally get serious about his fitness. He started lifting weights and added a protein shake after every workout, plus chicken breast at lunch and Greek yogurt at night. Within weeks, he felt stronger, but then came the downside. Constant bloating, less energy, and surprise, kidney stones. His doctor traced it back to too much protein and not enough water or balance. The risks of overdoing it. Yes, there's such a thing as too much protein. Overloading your body, especially above 2 grams per kilogram of body weight, can strain your kidneys. And if your protein sources include a lot of red meat or high-fat dairy, you may also increase your risk of heart disease or colon cancer. Balance is key. You want enough protein to grow stronger, not enough to do damage. Smart ways to get protein. Not a fan of powders or meat overload? That's okay. Try mixing in lentils, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, black beans, peanut butter. These are clean, powerful, and affordable ways to hit your protein goals. Dietitians suggest 20 grams per meal, plus a protein-packed snack daily. Keep it consistent, not extreme. Final thoughts. So yes, protein helps build muscle, but moderation matters. Know your number, stay under 2 grams per kilogram, and fuel your body the smart way. If this helped you rethink your protein game, like this video, comment your favorite high-protein meal. Subscribe to Healscape BDS, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss out on your next health upgrade.